know the Christianity doctrine. Who taught us that? Who taught them guys to go to second first? It's talking about the white man. Read it again. You don't know Christ, brother. You don't know Christ. Read.
Beware, lest any man spoil you.
Who spoiled this Negro right here? The white man. Read.
Through philosophy.
It's philosophy he's coming with. And another little man in the back. Read.
And vain deceit.
What is deceiving lies? Vain lies. Read.
After the tradition of men.
Who taught them after the tradition of men? The white man taught our people that. That's what they're coming with. No, brother, don't say Christ is black. Nobody sees Jesus Christ. Everybody, nobody. This is Negro. That's what they're coming with. To keep us on the bottom. But the day is over. The mind of the slave is finished.
But this shall be, but this war that's coming up now shall be what? Shall be with burning and fuel of fire. That's plain. But this war is going to be with burning and fuel of fire, meaning nuclear destruction.
Say that again. On the ships, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'll pray. Read verse, Exodus 20 verse.
Slow down.
The book of Exodus, chapter 20 and verse 2. I am the Lord thy God, which I brought thee out of the land of Egypt.
Go back to Deuteronomy right quick. Hold it.
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28 and verse 68. And the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt.
The Lord was going to bring us into Egypt. Read what Egypt means. So we get the whole definition of what Egypt means, because the Bible defines itself.
Yeah.
That's right. The book of Exodus, chapter 20 and verse 2. I am the Lord thy God, which I brought thee out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage.
What does Egypt mean? Read again.
I am the Lord thy God, which I brought thee out of the land of Egypt.
Out of the land of Egypt.
Yeah.
Out of the house of bondage.
House of bondage.
All right, what's another word for bondage? Slavery.
Yeah.
Read. Go to Deuteronomy 28. Read.
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28 and verse 68. And the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt again with ships.
So he said we're going to bring us to where? Egypt, right?
Yep.
What Egypt mean again?
Ship.
Bondage.
Bondage.
Slavery.
Yeah.
Again with what?
With ships.
With ships. You just said we came over on ships.
That's
That's a
right.
fact, right?
Yeah.
All right, read. Let's show you what's going to happen. Read.
By the way whereof I spake unto thee.
He said, just like I told you, this stuff was going to happen to y'all. We're going to go down this way. Read.
Thou shalt see it no more again.
We weren't going to see our homeland again. What's our homeland, brother? What's our homeland?
Africa.
That's what we've been told. We've been told Africa was our homeland. But we're going to read what the Bible says our homeland is.
Bring it out. Speak up. The book of Galatians, chapter 4 and verse 26.
Read.
But Jerusalem, which is above, is free.
He said, but Jerusalem. Read.
Which is the mother of us all.
Now, Africa is the mother of us all.
But Jerusalem, which is above, is free, which is the mother of us all.
Jerusalem is our motherland.
That's right.
But we've been told Africa was the homeland. That's
right.
not our homeland. Read. Go back to Deuteronomy 28.
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28 and verse 68.
Read it out.
The Lord shall bring thee into Egypt
Slavery.
again with ships.
Read.
By the way whereof I spake unto thee.
Just like I told you we're going to happen. Read.
Thou shalt see it no more
We weren't going to see
again.
our homeland again. We weren't going to see Jerusalem no more. Have we as a nation went back to our homeland since we done came over here? No. Okay, read.
And there
When we got off these ships, read.
ye shall be sold unto your enemies.
What happened to when we got off them ships?
The white man got you.
What do you do?
Beat you, enslaved you, made you do everything you want to do. They're hungry and everything.
Read that again.
And there ye
When we got these slave ships, what was going to happen? Read.
ye shall be sold unto your enemies.
You see what's going on right there? They selling us.
Yeah.
They selling us. Tell who? Who they selling us
the
to?
white man.
They selling
Yeah,
us.
now
The white
I'm
man
looking at
selling
you.
us, right? You see that? Read.
For bondman
For bond men, you see this? All this, the slavery, the sellings and everything. Read.
and bond women.
Right. Well, now go back to go back to 15. 16.
Deuteronomy chapter 28
Say something.
and verse 16.
Watch this, brother.
Cursed shalt thou be in the city.
So when you look around at our neighborhoods, how we looking? Are we looking like we living good around here? We looking real bad right now, right? All right, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Bad thing.
So is that a curse or a blessing?
Curse, man.
That's a curse.
Curse.
And cursed shalt thou be in the field.
Oh, look at it, brother.
I feel picking cotton, ain't it?
Picking cotton.
Yeah.
You see that? Yeah. Why? Why did that happen? Read 15. Why did that happen? Why we had to pick cotton and didn't get paid for it?
The white man.
Teach up.
We didn't get paid for picking cotton.
No,
we didn't get paid for picking cotton out the fields or the corn fields,
Yeah.
the sugar cane field, tobacco field. We didn't get paid. Read.
The book of Deuteronomy chapter 28 and verse 15. But it shall come to pass, if thou wilt not hearken unto the voice of the Lord thy God,
God said it was going to happen to us and we didn't listen to him.
Yeah.
Read.
to observe to do all his commandments
Because we didn't want to do his commandments.
Yeah.
Read.
and his statutes,
Read.
which I command thee this day,
So he gave us commandments to follow, but we didn't want to. Read.
that all these curses shall come upon thee and overtake thee.
That's why we're at the bottom today, brother.
Yeah.
So, but what we got to do to get up out of this condition that we're in?
We gotta work together now.
That too. Yeah, give me that. We gonna let the Bible talk about what we got to do.
Bring it out.
The first thing we got to do. This one
Teach
thing
out.
we got to do this. But we've been so divided so many years. It seems like it's grievous for us to come together. Read.
The book of Zephaniah, chapter 2 and verse 1.
Bring it out.
Gather yourselves together.
So the Most High, that's a commandment that we gather ourselves together. You see that?
That's right. Yea, gather together, O nation, not desire.
So we supposed to gather ourselves together every time we get.
Yep.
Because guess what? When we gather together, what happens?
Stronger. You build stronger bonds. White man can't break your apart, y'all together.
Read it again.
Zephaniah chapter 2 and verse 1. Gather yourselves together. Yea, gather together, O nation, not desire.
Ain't we a nation not desired?
Yes, sir.
Just that simple, right?
Yeah.
But now we got to gather together. This is Saturday. You know we supposed to gather together on this day.
Yeah.
Go to give me Leviticus. Leviticus 24. We supposed to gather ourselves together on the Lord's Sabbath day.
Bring it out.
We're supposed to break, we ain't commanded to be buying nothing, selling nothing, doing all other things besides gathering together with our people.
Yeah.
That's right.
Not no family reunions, not going to the casinos and nothing like that, but coming together a holy convocation. Read.
The book of Leviticus, chapter 23 and verse 2.
Read.
Speak unto the children of
So
Israel.
you notice that the Bible always say, speak unto the children of Israel. He said, speak unto the children of Israel. Read.
And say unto them
Hold on, brother.
concerning the feast of the Lord,
So this is a feast. Read.
which ye shall proclaim to be a holy
A
convocation.
holy convocation is a holy gathering.
Yeah.
That's right.
Read.
Even these are my feasts.
Right. Read.
6 days shall work be done.
Hey, brother, 6 days work shall be done. Read. Watch this.
But the 7th day
The Sabbath day,
is the Sabbath of rest.
Sabbath of rest, meaning you got to come around your brothers.
Yep.
Come
That's
around
right.
your brothers. Hey, check out their addresses on the back. Come down there so you can gather with us.
Alright.
That's
All
what we
praise to
supposed
the
to
Most
be doing. That's what we supposed to be doing.
Alright, y'all take care, man.
You too, brother. Y'all be safe out there.
Alright.
All right. Give me Deuteronomy 76.
About 15 minutes.
We better show y'all
I don't
something.
know where it was at when I
Look,
started over there.
for far too long, we have been told that we are nothing.
That's
We
right.
are the stuff on the face of the earth.
That's
Read
right.
that term. Read.
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 7 and verse 6.
Hey, brothers. Hey, watch this. Listen to this.
For thou art an holy people.
Y'all brothers are holy people. Come over here right quick. Come over here right quick.
They got a fly. Yeah, y'all
Come over here right quick. Come over here, brother. I'm gonna show you something. Let me show you what God feel about you. Come over here.
Unto the Lord thy God. The Lord thy God hath chosen thee
The Lord done chose you, brother.
to be a special people unto himself,
He chose y'all to be a special people to himself. Read.
above all people that are upon the face of the earth.
Have y'all ever heard that before? Have y'all ever told that y'all was above everybody on the face of the earth?
I know that.
You know that. But have you ever been told that? No. Okay, but God told you that. today. This is the day he told you that.
That's
you are
right.
special people to the Most High God. So, it's some things that require of us to be a special people to the Most High.
Right.
Go to, give me Deuteronomy 1:1 again.
The book of Deuteronomy.
Have you ever heard that you was an Israelite?
Yeah.
You ever heard that?
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 1 and verse 1. These be the words which Moses spake unto all Israel.
All Israel. So we finna go to Deuteronomy. You said you heard it before. Go to Deuteronomy 10 and 12. Finna show you something. You said you heard you was an Israelite before. So we finna show you some things that required of you that you know that you're an Israelite.
Bring it out. The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 10 and verse 12.
Read.
And now, Israel, what do the Lord thy God require of thee?
So what God requires of you? What you think God requires of you as an Israelite? Because you're a special people. So in order for it to be a special people, something got to be special about you and required of you for to be chosen.
Right.
Read.
But to fear the Lord thy God.
How you fear God?
I just know he God. He
So you didn't know He's God, but do you know you have to fear God? You got to fear His judgment.
Yeah.
Or what He gonna do to you if you don't repent and come back to these laws.
Yeah.
Read.
To walk in all his ways.
All His ways are His commandments. Read.
And to love him.
How do we love God? Do you love God?
Yeah.
You say you love God. Go give me love, the love of God. I'm finna show you something. This how you, the Bible gonna tell you how to love God. How you were taught to love God?
Bring it out.
I don't even know.
No, be honest, brother. How you was taught to love God?
Well, do right, treat people right.
Treat people right.
Yeah.
So that's how you love God. But we're gonna show you how God tell you to love Him.
Bring it out.
Make sure you keep your foot.
The book of 1 John, chapter 5 and verse 3.
Read.
For this is the love of God.
This is the love of God. Right? Read.
That we keep his commandments.
So God said this how you love Him. That we what?
That we keep his commandments.
That we what, brother?
Keep his commandments.
Keep His commandments. So let me show you a commandment that you breaking right now. You may not know you breaking. We do things on the daily that we don't even know we're doing. We don't know we breaking God's laws. Go to Numbers. Show you something, brother. Because God said you are special. And some required of you that you know that you're an Israelite. You too, brother. You special to the Most High God.
That's right.
Did you know that? But you didn't know that, did you? But God told you this day that you are special because you're an Israelite.
Teach out.
Read.
The book of Numbers, chapter 15 and verse 38. Speak unto the children of Israel and bid them that they make fringes in the borders of their garments.
He said, speaking to the children of Israel. You said you know that you was an Israelite, right? All right. He said, what he say?
Speak unto the children of Israel and bid them.
Make them,
That-
bid them, make, same thing, command them. That's a commandment.
That's right. That they make them fringes in the borders of their garments.
You see all these brothers out here? They got the fringes on. That's what you never heard that. Why they teaching that? That's a law. The laws are not done away with. You see that? We just distanced ourselves from God. He's still here. We just got to come back to Him.
That's right.
We departing from Him. Read.
Throughout their generation.
Brother, ain't we still generating? You got kids? You got nephews, nieces or something? But then we still generating that night. Every day. Read.
And that they put upon the fringe of the border a ribbon of blue.
See, everybody got fringes on with a border of ribbon of blue. So that's showing you that we keeping the laws of the Most High God. See that? So we all supposed to be doing the same thing. We don't supposed to be dressing what we want to do. We supposed to be doing what the Most High God commanded us to do.
That's right.
Read.
And it shall be unto you for a fringe, that ye may look upon it and remember all the commandments.
So that these things remind us what we supposed to be doing every day. Read.
Of the Lord, and do them.
We supposed to do these commandments.
Shalom. This is Bishop Nathaniel of Israel United in Christ. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels. Stay up to date with our latest events, music, and classroom lessons. IUIC plans to continue visiting different countries where this gospel has not been preached before. IUIC needs your help in pushing this truth. So join us. Subscribe to our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and podcasts, and stay up to date with us. For more information, please visit www.israelunite.org.